Good morning, one and all. Uh, Today we'll be again looking at some of the questions that are based on multiplication, and we'll be solving questions on multiplication. I'll be doing some questions for you guys so that it's a help for the homework that I have been giving you. So here we go. Question number 19. Find second part we'll be doing. Find x and y if this is given to you. I have to find the value of x and y. Okay, in terms of numbers. 1 2 3 4, what is the value of this going to be, x and y going to be. But when I see this question, I see something that, you know there's a multiplication happening between this matrix and this matrix. Can you see? And this, there's a equal sign in the middle, and this 16 over 9 is here. So what I'll do, my job is to multiply both of them. Okay, so I'm going to multiply both the matrices. When I multiply both the matrices, the order of this is 2 into 2 and the order of this is 2 into 1. The answer that I'll get after multiplying order that I'm going to get, I'll get an order of what? I'll get an order of what? Anyone knows? 2 into 1. I'll get an order of 2 into 1. Okay, so if you notice this, I'll write it down like that. What I'll take the first column, first row, and the first column. So it's going to be 2x into 3 plus x into 2. Okay, second one is going to be, I'll take this one and the first column itself. Okay, so if you guys notice, I hope it's clear to all of you. So it's going to be y into 3, okay, plus 3y into 2. Okay, 3y into 2. That's how it's gonna happen. Now I don't have any more columns, so that I can just multiply with more rows. So I multiplied this by this column, this by this column. I don't have any other column so that I can multiply. So what I'll be doing, I'll be solving this out. When I solve this out, I'll be getting 6x plus 2y, 2x, sorry, and then this is going to be 3y plus 6y equals to 16 and 9, right? And then what I'll be doing, 6x, and they both are like terms, so I'll be adding them. I'll be getting 8x, this and this will be added, I'll be getting 9y equals to 16, and 9 will be over here. Now both of them are equal. They have given me an equal sign in the middle, which means this and this is going to be equal. That's going to be 8x equals to 16x is equals to 16 over 8, and I'll get the answer as 2. So what is the value of x? Answer is 2. How to find the value of y? This is equals to this, so 9y equals to 9, y equals to 1. So I got the value of x equals to 2 and y equals to 1. I got both the values. Okay, so when you solve this, you'll end up getting the answers or the values of x and y, and that's how you solve this type of questions. Okay, I have another question. Question number 22. You guys can have a look over here. Question number 22. What does question number 22 says? 3 4 2 5 equals to, that's given equals to a b c d, and then multiplying by 1 0 0 1, and I have to find the value of a b c d. So what I'll be doing, what do you think you can do in this? You can multiply, right? Wherever you can see a multiplication of two matrices, you can just simply multiply, and the right hand side or the left hand side is going to stay the same, 3 4, right? 3 4 and 2 and 5, it's going to remain like this, and this is going to get multiplied. So how it's going to get multiplied? First row and the first column, a into 1 plus b into 0, and then c into 1 plus d into 0, and this is going to be a into 0 plus b into 1, right? and then I'll be getting C into 0 plus D into 1. That's how I'll multiply. That's the only way I can multiply, right? And that's how you multiply the row with the columns. So 3, 4, 2, 5 equals to what I'll be getting after multiplying? A into 1, A. And then B into 0 is going to be B. C into 1, C. D into 0. ओके तो मेरे पास A आया, C आया, यहाँ पे आएगा मेरे पास B और यहाँ पे आएगा मेरे पास D. Okay, you guys can have a look very carefully. You will understand this. It's not that tough that you won't understand this. Okay, you got it? So now you guys can just compare both the matrices and you can say A equals to 3, B equals to 4, C equals to 2 and D equals to 5. That's how you give your answers, right? So we can do question number 25 also, and I can help you in this question. Okay, so A says 3x01 and B is 916 minus y. Find x and y when a square equals to b. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna find a square. a square ढूंढने के लिए मुझे a into a मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, राइट? तभी तो a square आता है, सबको पता है. So I'm gonna multiply 0 1 and then I'll multiply 3x01. I'll multiply both the matrices because this is also a, this is also a. Okay, when I multiply both of them, what will I be getting? I'll take the first row and the first column. So what I'll be getting, 3 into 3 plus x into 0, isn't it? And then I'll take the second row and the first column, 3 into 0 plus 1 into 0. Okay, and then first row and the second column, that's going to be 3 into x plus x into 1, and the second row and the column x into 0 plus 1 into 1, right? I hope you're getting it. Okay, now I'll solve this. a square कितना आएगा मेरे पास, मैं यहाँ लिख देता हूँ. a square जो भी आएगा वो a square का आंसर होगा. 3 3 are 9 और x into 0 is 0. 0 0 0 plus 0 0. 3x plus x is 4x and this is going to be 1. Okay, तो a square की वैल्यू आ गई और मुझे b की वैल्यू तो ऑलरेडी पता है. b की वैल्यू ये है, ठीक है. सो आई एम गोना कीप a स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू b. a कितना है, 9 4x 0 1 इक्वल्स टू, ये a स्क्वायर की वैल्यू मैंने लिख दी. b की वैल्यू कितनी है आपके पास, 9 16 0 minus y, and then I'm going to compare. You can see this is equals to this, this is going to be equals to this. So 4x equals to 16 I can write, and I can also write 1 equals to minus y because this is equals to this. So x is going to be 16 over 4, then x is going to be 4, right? What is going to be y? y is going to be minus 1 क्योंकि माइनस उधर शिफ्ट हो जाएगा तो 1 के पास हो जाएगा. तो y is equals to minus 1. Simple as that. Okay, I hope you understood. So what's the main thing? I just have to figure out how to multiply two matrices, and if I know how to multiply two matrices, everything is going to be very easy for me. Only if I know how to multiply. Okay, because a square को स्क्वायर मत कर देना कि इसका भी स्क्वायर कर दो, ये 9 हो जाएगा, इसका भी स्क्वायर कर दो, इसका भी स्क्वायर कर दो. No, it doesn't work like that. Okay, you have to multiply the same matrix into 2 times. Okay, so that's how you do multiplication and the application of multiplication in different types of questions. Okay, thank you so much for listening this video and hearing this out, and I hope this is going to be a help for you. And yeah, have a good day, have a great day, enjoy working your homework. Okay, enjoy whatever you do. Okay, so take care, bye bye.